Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS650 review. Real 120-inch TV replacement proof in bright rooms.
You ever settle in for movie night and realize your TV looks tiny and washed out the second sunlight hits? Last weekend, I had 6 friends over. We ended up watching the fourth quarter on a laptop because the 75-inch couldn't fight the afternoon glare. Brutal. Sound familiar? Drop your worst small TV moment in the comments right now.
That gut punch when the picture goes pale, the sound is tinny, and everyone's scooting closer like it's 1998. You feel the excitement drain out of the room. But imagine flipping on a screen so bright and punchy the daylight doesn't stand a chance, and the sound actually thumps without extra boxes. That control feels visceral. You ready for it? Meet the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS650, the ultra-short-throw laser projector that legitimately replaces your TV. Places inches from the wall, throws up to 120 inches of 4K PRO-UHD glory with 3,600 honest lumens that laugh at living room light. 3-chip 3 LCD means zero rainbow effect. Perfect colors, no eye fatigue. HDR Ken and HLG support delivers inky blacks and electric highlights. The Epson Setting Assistant app uses your phone camera to auto-align geometry in seconds. Setup is actually fun. Android TV plus Google Assistant plus Chromecast built in, so Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus are one voice command away. Yamaha 2.1 audio with real bass means most people never add a soundbar. It even moonlights as a killer Bluetooth speaker. My editor buddy was racing a 4K deadline, eyes fried on his monitor. Fired up the LS650 on a blank wall, 110 inches of razor-sharp footage, bass rattling the desk, delivered the job early and texted me, "I'm never going back." That's the kind of save we all need.
This thing turns efficiency into euphoria. Instant on laser, 20,000-hour life, no warm-up, no bulb swaps ever. Focus becomes effortless because the image is wall-sized and needle-sharp. Sports look faster, movies feel deeper, games hit harder with less than 20 millisecond lag at 1080p 120 Hz. Reviewers call the 3,600 lumens a genuine daytime weapon. Projector Central said the Yamaha audio negates the immediate need for a soundbar. Tech analysts say Epson owns the value-to-performance crown in UST. Real users? One wrote, "Set up in 8 minutes, picture on a bare wall still embarrassed my old 77-inch OLED in daylight." Another gamer? PS5 on 110 inches is stupidly addictive. I've watched entire seasons without once reaching for blackout curtains. Worried about the Switch? Everyone is, until they see the image stay rock solid at 3 p.m. with blinds open. That's when the FOMO kicks in. Thousands of owners can't shut up about it for a reason. Tell me in the comments, which feature just made your heart race?
Join the families, gamers, and creators already living on massive, bright, beautiful screens every single day with the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS650. This isn't a projector. It's the living room upgrade you'll wish you made sooner. Real people, real results, zero compromises. I put the link first in the description and pinned it at the top. Go click it, see the current deal, and picture your next movie night on 120 inches of pure fire. You deserve this. See you in the comments when you're conquered.